Hi everybody and welcome back. So today we have this platform called 1Password, and this is the best password manager for personal and business requirements. Now before we begin, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as exclusive bonuses. So now jumping onto the platform, you will be able to realize that currently we need a password to sign into our account. Let's just put in there that, and let me just copy my password and put it in here. Alright, so now we will be eventually inside our dashboard, and just give it a moment, it is loading up. So yeah, basically since you want to add multiple passwords in here, remembering a lot of passwords is a hassle, and for that we have this platform. It is offering different type of recovery systems as well. So if you want to add that, you can click on this plus icon and just start with your recovery process. Now, an amazing thing about the platform is the offers and features that it provides. So you can also add your teams in here. So on the left side you can see your people. If you head over to that, you can add in here different type of people to save and work collaboratively. Click on invite people, enter their email address and choose whether they are a guest or a team member, and eventually they will be added onto the platform. You have your invitations, and you can send your sign up links, and also you have your groups. So this is really amazing since you can work in groups as well. So if you are a group of administrators, you can sign up for that. Owners and team members, everyone is going to be having their own vaults and items. You have your vaults below. You can see you can add in here vaults. So basically what a vault is, it is going to be having different type of tools that are only accessible to a certain set of people. So that is something unique. And you have your developer tools and integrations and other stuff. So talking about its reviews and what people has to say about it, you can see good software for customer service, excellent, and product and customer service. So make sure to give a try using the link in the description, using which you can get extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses onto the platform. So yeah, that is it for this one. See you guys around in the next one.